Hi, welcome to Funny and Cute Caricatures. My name is artist Marta Setniewski, and these are your three options available for your live event or custom order caricatures. The first option is the least expensive. It is the fastest one, able to accommodate up to 20 people per hour. It is in black and white, done in only marker. The second option is colored in with pastel, with gray, white, and sometimes black pastels, making it grayscale. And the third option is the most popular, done in full color using Jack pastels. To demonstrate the options, we will draw a portrait of my daughter Liliana. Lily is now 1 year old, and on this picture, this was her a picture done from her for her invitation for her baptism. And so she's wearing a beautiful flower and feather crown. So cute. And then we have a double chin, drawing the smile. Going like this, downwards, with the cheeks highlighted here and here, corners of the mouth. Lips and a beautiful button nose, so adorable. Round under, one nostril and the other nostril. That's it. And the bridge of the nose is completely flat, and the babies and young children, and the eyes. Get the location of the eyes, somewhere like this, and the upper lip. Make it cute and funny. And every girl has beautiful long eyelashes. And that will make it even more, stand out even more inside the eyes. We make a little highlight, leave the circle opened, and make another big circle around it that we will fill out with black, fill in black. And that way it will stand out more. Big irises. See, on the pictures, the picture is not very high resolution, therefore it looks completely black. We can imagine it should be something like this. And we have, oh, the eyebrows are so tiny. Almost not there. Like this. Cutie. Little ears. She has the lower lobe of the ear sticking out a little bit, and then we draw in the beautiful headband. Goes like this, and like this over here, and here we go into beautiful flowers. Make this flower bigger, and the ones next to it a little smaller. All right. And then we have some feathers sticking out here. And short indications of hair. Here we go, and here the hairline on the sides. Alright. And then we have beautiful feathers all around. And we sign the work. And this would be your first option, to have the work in black and white using only marker. For the second option, we would fill in the drawing using gray. Let's take medium gray, yeah. Alright, and we mark the darkest parts under the eyes, pressing only lightly with the chalk, very lightly, so that it will be easy to blend. Like so. And the hairline, and the flowers. Now you can, when you do the details like this, you can do harsher lines. You don't want to blend seamlessly, and your beautiful, beautiful cheeks, so cute. And going down on it here. And then under the chin, shrinking the smile, and the corners of the mouth going under the nose, on top of the nose, with a button indication. So cute. Under the neck, and down here, and then there. The decorative parts, the fairy parts could be like this. Inside the eyes, dark at the top, getting lighter as it recedes toward the bottom. Lighter as it recedes under the upper lid. Perfect. And blend it nicely. And gently, like this. Blend. Beautiful. It begins to gain the three-dimensional appearance. Flat nose over here. Corners of the eyes. Forehead. And the headband with the flowers. For extra additional light, additional better blending, you can add in the white to smooth out the transitions in the eyes. There we go. And blend it in. This is it. And this is our second option, to have the painting done in grayscale. For the third option, we do the same painting and the same caricature drawing in color. So let's do the same. On top of this one, we can add color. We add the flesh color. Tonal values, yes. Here we go. Pink. That will be the mid-tone. Blend it in. It's so amazing how the painting comes to life in color. Gorgeous. And we can add some, how about we add yellow for the highlights, a little bit of yellow on the nose. Here we go. The flowers, because they are made from, they are metal jewelry, made from jewelry, we will make them, I would like them blue, maybe blue and white. And Lily has also blue eyes. The white headband we can also make blue. And we paint the eyes blue. Light blue at the bottom, dark blue at the top. There you go. Like this. And we add last light blue for the feathers here. Oh, she is adorable. Blend in. Add in white. Oh, tiny. So pretty. And we can add some red to the cheeks. Although it's not necessary, but she's so adorable. We will make her even more cute. And lips. Let's color in the lips. And we need to repeat the same value over here so it blends together. It goes together perfectly. Here we go. And the ears, maybe a little bit red at the tips. So she's so cute. Maybe it's cold outside. And the nose. How about the nose? A little bit on top of the nose. Here we go. So cute. And blend it in. Perfect. And then we take a dark marker and reinforce the darkest darks. Darkest darks. Here we go. Here and here. Here and here. And the eyelash. The nostrils. Corners of the mouth. And let's do the flowers. And the feathers here. And there we have it. And that is our third option to have the painting done in full color. Thank you very much for watching. Please contact me for your live event to check out availability and reserve your event date. And also for your custom orders, feel free to email me your pictures and I will draw you a portrait and send it to you, and also send you a scanned digital copy of it as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video, and I see you next time. God bless you.